Had some leftover pulled pork, and I made some Cubano sandwiches, and these were fabulous on the Blackstone. So check it out. This is how we did it. Hey, it's Jeff with BBQplus, and today we're going to be cooking on the Blackstone. Going to make a couple of sandwiches. I've got some leftover pulled pork and decided let's do something fun. We're going to do a Cubano sandwich. Going to start out by just toasting up these rolls a little bit. We're going to do 3 of them today. And we've got this provolone that we're going to use with some ham. And also we've got this, which is some pulled pork that we had left over. So, gotta have pork on the Cubano. So this was some leftover pulled pork. I just put it in a bag, put it in the freezer, preferably in some kind of a seal-a-meal bag that gets all the air out of it, and just date it so you know to make sure you rotate and that you're using the oldest first to kind of move it through. So grill here is a little over 400 degrees. Let's take a look and see how those are. Getting a little bit of toastiness on, that's good. We'll go a little more on that. I'm gonna grab some of this ham. This is a fairly thin sliced. Now we've got some mustard. Gonna smear that up on here. We're gonna do on both sides. There's one. Now we're gonna add some of that provolone. Couple of slices on each of these. Some pulled pork on there, and don't forget the pickle. So we're gonna put some pickle already in here. These are a dill pickle from Costco. And we're gonna press those down with that fella. Oh, look at that goodness. There it is, a nice hot Cubano sandwich. We've got the pickles, we've got the provolone cheese, we've got ham, and we've got some pulled pork in there that was left over. I'm gonna go in and take a bite out of this. You can see that mustard in there. These pickles are the best. They're ones we got at Costco, and they're in a big tub. I think they're distributed by somebody out of Massachusetts, but these are the best crispy dill pickles that I've ever had. And I'm not a dill pickle fan, so that's saying something. But look at that. That is just absolutely terrific. If you like making good stuff like this in your backyard, hold on to that pulled pork after you're finished with the big pork shoulder. Put it in the freezer, use it a little bit later, make some terrific lunches like this Cubano sandwich. If you like what we're doing here, I've got a ton of videos showing you how to cook all kinds of stuff in your backyard. Pellet grills, Blackstones, Weber Smoky Mountain, an offset grill. I use them all. And I also show you how to fix them up too if they need a little bit of maintenance. Go ahead, go through my YouTube site, find something that's going to inspire you to cook something great in your backyard this weekend. And from BBQplus, thanks for watching.